Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create text tracking in CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select your videos that you like to edit, and for example I'm going to open my project and there is a video here. So I'm going to add text, select add text. Just type your text, check mark, and it can make it lasting, and then you can select the text and put on top the object that you like to tracking, and you can swipe to the right and then you can click tracking. So put on top the text, just click start tracking. That's it. Here you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.